Edo ya wabedene o wabowie wabavan wabota dade ebone do andoge ye ituwa ya fe o itu edoni ro wa be itu edoni risi ipe akemi ko Obisege mayawo wa o. Ege ibude. Oge do imu yena. Ibude oge ohunsa. Ibude oge do. Ibude oge ohunsa. Wayabokin o. Timano iri wana Jackson Charles. Abokin o teme. Uyo wo. Ewo hiafe na ibe revjen gbe na. Ari ha etota ewa. Wabokin o. Watie wobe bagbe. Wamuku yatie wobe bagbe. Edo ne wata. Edo ne wari. Waweni alare o. Madu toge do wa. Wahia bokin o. De wahia man. De wa mawa. De o debe man. Emo wo, ame wo, odo wo, eten wo. Eten ni pete ni ko yan hia wo. De o wa we mamam. De wa di doki ekin wa do de o we kian. Wa no ye wiwe mi no tiebe. De ge bin wa tie, de o we won hun. De o we man. Ewa no gawari oba. No gebo. Ya yi una wa una o we man. Wa ga mi o kan o. Wenwa o tote o. Wahia fe tota o wa magani baba ya ota. O magani ye ya ota. Wa no yere o were ga Tiban Solomon demundia. Obokia o wira man. Ya yi wahia we ma. O ga neru na so o. No nyama o sadogwa ma. Sadogwa no keden le. Makponwe marowa o ruda wo sadogwa. O se tin da gbe da mu we gun tagun kewe imi. Ebi ya fe akara wo ye bo we ya ye o sa nya de. Mari ogo nu o makponwe na bu nkoto. Oge ne bo wa na do ne o wa mare ma do ta na. Okay, ogi ibude ma gbon. Na akin wa gbon. Sadogwa ba la ogi e bo ma re na do da ho. No ma be do da ho e na ata ba na mo yaza. La o we ti yi ati one da ho e. Ya da ho e. Oge ne gbi ave no. No ma be da ho e o be ru bu we do sado do a. Ewu na wo wa olowo gbe o, omi amegbe o. La ho re gi oduma, la ho re tenema. Agi ma wi na kwa, agi ma gbogbo kwa. So ba no wo do ewu na we na so. La onu pase yo me. La onu ri tin wi yen me ni ya we. Oge de na ge me ke don di awo ri wa. Ibude na o wo nya ibude. Aga ko mo kan de wende. Dedi Jesu Kristo na nya wa. Isa waya wa isa o isa abe kon salobo. Ibude ega ibude ogedo ayena ega ibude ogedo ibude oge ogio han o salobo. Today is the day for pastoral counseling. We are not preaching today, we are doing pastoral counseling. Pastoral counseling. Today's topic is fear. Fear. We want to look at the phenomenon of fear. What fear is, how it comes and how it goes, and how to treat it. It can become a problem for people. Fear can become a disease for some people. If you do not have fear, you are blessed. Because those people who have the problem of fear, people who are carrying the burden of fear, they know what I'm talking about. They are not free at all. So fear can be a disease. It can be a psychological problem. And it needs to be treated. It would need to be treated when it comes to a certain level, so that the individual might be free. This world created for us, is created by God for all of us. For some reason or the other, some people have the problem of fear. When I say fear, I mean they are not able to live normally. When we say fear, we mean they're just there the way you see them, but they are more than what you are seeing. This problem is there in their heart, in their eyes, in their minds, even when they sleep. Today we want to look at this problem and how it is plaguing people and what to do about it, how to deal with it. I believe that today's session is going to be a blessing to many people. Call others to sit with you and listen as we deal with the problem of fear. Ibude oge dene. Ibude oge dene. Oha ema agwa kaena. Ibude no kan oha be pai oha. Na ma agwa kan ibude no kan oha e pai oha. Dawo oha oragbon. Oha oragbon. Oha emi awe no le manso. Ma agba lo to to oha bo kede oha bo kede bo rie. Oga yare da gbe ma so na fi emi awe. Ore da gbe ma so oha na fi emi awe. Na ji awe bi ni ara o. We ari anya ye di de gadabenya. So pa wori on ya kele. Ogwe. Ba oha. Eba soro do mo ha e di ba ye. O awe ku di ba ye la egbe. Eba soro do mo popo wo ha. Ni ese tin wi mi, de mi ni yin ba o wa. Do ha. Agbona no saruba yi na no yi ma ya fe. Ba ya kan o kan be ma very ba we no keke. Even so wari gbedia owo ha. No ha ge we bi kebi. E ho so ababu na hin o ha ge hu yon. Ba be hin o orion so to. Ba mu ha o ha. O ha wanagbon so pa ore ko wanagbon. Oha me se wa pa fi o bi supan o me no agbo ba na gbon fo. E wa no mo ha. Oku ya ye. Deru we ra gbon we oha ru orion. Gbon sa lo bo. Nda ebian me da no. Ipe abo ki awa o ki awa. Uwo rion oye. Emi no ru wo rion o se bi no roke. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni agbẹ́mi àwọn lórí ọlọ́rọ̀ ṣe náà agbẹ́mi àwọn lókè ẹ̀tẹ́ lọ́rọ̀ náà pé wúwẹ́ lọ́rọ̀ náà vin ṣùgbọ́n òrìnàrúwó ríọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ ni òhánà yẹ àdẹ́gẹ́ ṣùgbọ́n àdẹ́gẹ́ kìlọ̀ náà lò ó àdẹ́gẹ́ dàgbọ́n ọwọ́ ìmọ̀ náà mú rí à àdẹ́gẹ́ dàgbọ́n náà mú ìgbè dí à àdẹ́gẹ́ dàgbọ́n ìmọ̀ náà máa yẹ náà dé mọ́ gbà wọ́n Ai ma agwa ka da oha. Awe chama ni were obukan o. Kisle bia so gi obukan. Oya fe tota ari hin iridia. But you were but you To start with, what is fear? What is fear? There is a phenomenon of fear. It's a reality. Some people will tell you, oh, there's no fear. There's no fear in the world. Don't worry. There's no fear in the world. There is fear. There is a problem of fear. It is a human experience. It is a phenomenon that human beings experience. What is fear? We're dealing with fear. The topic is fear. What is fear? Fear is an unpleasant emotion about danger likely to cause pain or threat. Fear is an unpleasant emotion about danger that is likely to happen to cause pain or threat. When suddenly somebody has an unpleasant emotion, it's unpleasant, it's not something you like, something you don't like, an unpleasant emotion. Emotion is the movement of the mind. And you begin to feel that something is going to happen. It's dangerous. It's going to be painful. Oh, hey, unpleasant emotion. Maybe you were smiling, maybe you were walking. All of a sudden, oh, that is fear. It's unpleasant because it connotes, it goes with a sense of danger, pain, threat. And nobody wants danger, nobody wants pain, nobody wants threat. Anything that brings your mind about these things is fear. Fear abides in different dimensions. Abides in different dimensions. It can be physical, the body. It can be psychological, in the mind. It can be spiritual, in the spirit. You see? In all of this, we don't even see anyone with eyes, naked eyes. We can only see how they manifest in the lives of people. Hello? When you see somebody who has fear, you will know. All of a sudden. You will know. And you see how somebody is different from you. Where you are standing, where you are talking, where you are eating or drinking. Somebody who has fear. We don't be able to do exactly what you are doing. You will be possessed by a spirit of anxiety. Ho, ha, he, he. The person will be feeling more than you are feeling. It may be hot there. That's not the problem the person is talking about. It may be cold there. That's not the problem he's talking about. He is talking about something else. When it is cold, the person may be feeling hot because of the fear in his mind. When it is hot, the person may be feeling cold and chilly because there is some fear in his mind. Fear is a powerful emotion, but it spells a sense of danger. It spells a sense of threat. And it talks about a sense of pain. Because of that, fear is something you don't like. It's unpleasant. We in my kind of oha. Boy, that's why we come on with Ohio, not your Ohio. Okay, no, Ohio. I dig to ban if not your Ohio or all. Why, Ohio, every day, yeah, every day, yeah, okay, I feel my way. If you so can soon. Oh, cool, man. Ado. Huh? Na guacana. Ovanoa. Irinoa. Oh. We know you are guacana. Oh, hi, every day, yeah, okay. After my way. If you so can soon. Look out. If you know how, you they too will take back who don't know we know he couldn't wait. Every day I know that every little bit, not to have you. Oh, no, ha, no. Every day, you August, my way, yes, so can soon. There is so young. Even my soon. So, yeah, my fear, my women so young soon. On your hand. There, I don't wear if we all, huh? Go on your hammer. If we know, huh? On a quick, okay, you see. Oh, house, a robois. I don't know a bang. Uhan Makana, a Miamenakin. If you have an egg, one meg at Puyoto. If you have an egg, so wet. If you have an egg, sick or dow. If you have an egg, I'll be here, I'll be so tall. If you have an egg, I'll be there, you do, I go do it. There, I'm your dog. Who are you? Oh, where you are? No man, where you are, no one. That I never know. You go, Mount that, Bunny, who would you? Oh, Bangwadi. Even a yard, go. I didn't wear. Would you? Oh, how am I going down your night? I'm going to have I wouldn't wear the I wouldn't wear that young well. Oh, èmi ní ìnà n'ẹyẹ òwe dàn rófin òwe ọ̀nà òha nulẹ̀ náà nùgúlẹ̀ nùdá yọ̀bà yàwó yọ̀bà bẹ́ẹ̀ yàwó n'ẹ̀kún iná fún ọ̀tọ̀ ọ̀nà òha nà gàngwà kaná n'ẹ̀mìnú mẹ́ òha gbẹ́lú ẹ̀ ọ̀nà òha nà gwà kaná àtẹ̀wẹ̀ òha gbẹ́kú ẹ̀ ọ̀nà òha nà kàdà ekwe ụha organic ekwe ụha no evi na ma ho na o runda ma ho no ri abe o da o abe ene ekwe no ma oni ụha no ma uya ri ogo no ma be uya mgbu yo jo o gba bo ma be Uba hold on one do me wefo and webby on the fo. Na Hana or die your one. Afiama a edon. Where this was no. Where we down or about. No, abe dege. Wo pa dege. Oni wo hana kanu. Okova. Iwe ni oga dana orebe ita won pa vi hian. Iwe bi oga dana orebe ita won pa vi hian. Oja ti e be don wan. The Bible text concerning fear is found in Proverbs 1 verse 7. Proverbs 1 verse 7. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge, but fools despise wisdom and the instruction. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. So the kind of fear we are talking about is a negative one. But there is a normal fear, which is the beginning of wisdom. Respect for God, the feeling of awe, the feeling of awe concerning the power that be, the Almighty God, the feeling which Rudolf Otto, in the definition of religion, he said, it's a traumedum. It's a traumedum, mysterium traumedum, et fascinas. It's a mysterium traumedum et fascina. The awe, the awesomeness. That's the fear of God is the beginning of human life. To be strong is to fear God. To be knowledgeable is to fear God. Yes. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge and wisdom. If you want to know about God, if you want to know about the things of this world, fear the Lord and keep his commandments. That is the positive side of life. But the fear that we are dealing with today is a negative one. It's a negative one. It is a destructive one. It doesn't build, it destroys. Yeah. Benin wine, bita won pa viyan. Owe. Imoha. Ore no nyama. Oni o muhe ore yemi. Imoha. Ore no nyama. O muhe ore yemi. You have the tired imoha. Oh, ha to boy kaka. Imoha. Ore no nyama. O ha ragbon to pa imoha. Ore salobo a o muhe won tagbona. Where you know when yes, you know ma, where you no food be, who are them more house out of Babylon. Other than man rock. Then they do imoha. No, not dano, August Arubua. Ni makana mati ohana oha ogana ohana riani ohana mo agba ohana ja zobozo we ohana ja rieba e don la gbe oni mo hausa lo bo ekwe do ohana go imo hausa lo bo na imo video to The fear of the Lord is a specific sense of respect, of awe, and of submission unto God. So you see there's a difference. The fear of the Lord, the fear of God is a specific sense of respect, of awe, and of submission to God. That is a positive fear. It builds your personality. It builds your knowledge. It advances your wisdom. It drives away all negative disabilities. It uproots evil in the world, and it fosters you to go forward. The fear of the Lord. That is not negative fear at all. It is a sense of specific respect for God, the awesomeness of God, and you submit unto God. So you see that kind of fear? And when you submit unto God, God blesses you, whoever you are. That is not the fear that we are dreading now. That fear is a blessing because it will help you to be knowledgeable. You submit unto God, God will bless you in whatever you do. That's the fear of the Lord. That is a positive fear, which we all ought to have. Sometimes we say we fear our father, right? It's out of love that you have your father, you fear him. You don't want your father to be offended. You don't want your father or your mother to dislike you or to disown you. No. You submit. You have a rapport with your friends. You don't want to offend them. That kind of fear it evokes respect for the significant order unto God, unto other human beings. The fear of law, the fear of the law, of the rules and regulations of a school, of a society, that is a positive fear. It's born out of respect. Everybody should have that. Somebody who doesn't have that fear, that positive fear, that person is wicked. He's not subject to positivity. And he can hardly receive any blessing, not of God, not of man. The good fear, born out of respect and submission. That is not the fear we are dealing with. The fear we are dealing with is a negative fear. It is obstructive. It is destructive. It annihilates personality. It limits resources and limits boundaries, and will not let people develop. That fear. Don't touch, don't eat, don't look, don't go, don't take, don't come. That is the fear we are talking about today. But this fear of the Bible is a specific sense of respect. You fear the law of the land. You don't want to be seen as abnormal. You don't want to go against the norm of the village or of the land or of the country. That's a good fear. It results in blessing. Igbo Hausa. Oye, imegberi oto. Mo Hausa, oye, imegberi oto. Ne onyunwa, nno sarubwa. Imo Hausa, imegberi oto, oye, onyunwa, ogo sarubwa. Kunda ba ho na ri ogo nusa, amo ha. Oho sarubwa mo. Na ri ogo ne. Na ri eti ne, ngba yonya to yaku. Eja be ri ogo le kama, ja be ri ogo ni joba, oh ha ayawe. Era ma joba joba oh ha ge ayawe. Eja be ri ogo ne bo, ebo na ye, ebo no wa te do no. Ebi na tie, ebi ta awe. You know awa, aye boka. Onye oh ha no ma. Owa ne go ha we bi obofio, owa nda no. Oka ke ba ya fe ga mo ha. Ogi megberi oto. Ogo nyunu ogu salobwa botima. E ma na be ti megberi oto de ra eri ma be yima. Ona ekwe na ohana ka. Ohana ekwe. Na ya mo uhise. Na ya we no keke. Na ya we no gba ohani oge gege. Ono hanoma. Na ya ju hun le baba gie. Na ya yu lulu ewe bi ni ye gie. Na ya we bi lo ke dan owo a we ta ban gie o wan ye. Igwe so ya Yohan ya God afian. Ono hanoma. O han ya God afon o gege le ba ya le ba o da fian ma e le gbo kiwu na re. Ya le ba o ya igu wa me ge dan ta le ya le ba o. Yi awe o Honda fun wa mo o Honda fun e mo o de no ma o Honda fun na mo ni o bo lo ko ni o ko so bo afiangbe wa gbon ke be yi. Ida be yo hamu ise uyi no rabo o e bo no o te do no uyi ni wa gbangbe ne wa gbangbe no uyi no egbuyi o gbangbe ne o hamu e ma se ti ka bo wo hamu wo egbe e wa ba uyi no rabo yi gbe agwa no rabo yi we ajola pa mu ibu bebe o bebe da oni o hanoma o wa ne mo han ni bo fion o wa dan o wa da lóní orí àwò ẹyẹ gbẹta ya wọn náà mẹwò hàn ọrẹ ìmọgbèdè tọ ọrọ nyùnú ọgọ sọlọbọ àbò fihàn ẹni orí àwò ẹni gbàgbọ gílò tọ ẹni sẹdìkù náà mà ẹni sẹdà tó bá náà wí náà ṣe ẹyẹ gbẹta mà wẹrẹ ọ òhàn ni màkànà ọrẹ ìmọgbèdè tọ rẹ ìmọ̀hàn ọrẹ ọsà ọrẹ ìmọgbèdè tọ no nyunua no go salobwa ona kake no ya ba e ni o logo man mekabam there are two kinds of fear we are born with. All human beings are born with two kinds of fear. When you are a baby and infant, you have two kinds of fear in you. You are born with it. Everybody. See the two kinds of fear. One, you are fearful of loud noise. Loud noise. Infants, they fear loud noise. All of a sudden, maybe you are playing music, and the music will just come. You see the baby shakes. It's a loud noise. The baby is not used to loud noise. But when you play music, play loud, a baby shakes. Or when you are shouting, just like I shouted now, I'm shouting, the baby shakes. He's born with that fear. Number two, the fear of falling. The fear of falling. All babies fear falling. I've seen some people, you have a baby, you throw the baby up like this. You think you are making the baby feeling good. No, you will see the baby will open his eyes wide because the baby is afraid that it's going to fall. It's no longer in your hand. For those 2 seconds, 3 seconds, that the baby is no longer in your hand, baby is falling. Even though the baby doesn't understand what is going on, but he's afraid that it's falling. 2 fears we are born with. One is the fear of noise, loud noise, and the fear of falling. That is why we don't need to throw babies up. Hello? If you have been throwing babies up like this before, stop it. Stop it. You don't throw babies up. There are some other serious reasons why you cannot do it. I won't have time to go into that. You hear what I mean? But don't throw babies up like this. Don't shake babies. It is forbidden. Don't shake babies. The organs and the system of babies in the brain and in the plasma and everything, they are not intact yet. They're just becoming strong and connected. Don't shake babies at all for any reason. I've seen some people, they put baby upside down. A baby, put the head upside down and take baby up. when you do babies like that, you will see that they open their eyes wide. For those 3 seconds, 5 seconds, that is an evil thing to do. God is seeing people who do those things. God is seeing them. You don't shake babies. Please. Babies are afraid of loud noise. They are afraid of fear of falling. Oha eva abiowabie. Oha eva abiowabie. Right? Omaladian says to go order. Oha eva abie ovabie. Oha eva na loka oi. Oha oge ogogo. Oha ogogo. Ogogo odo emi no kakabo tuladian. Abiomo obonaga omorue obono no enwe afia mogwogo afia eto wagege fia ekeni ekede ogwogo iro again we eba ya wo ogwogo de igbina no o ya wa vanu ka o agbanso yanko e mani wa pe o wa de o han amo obomo o han abomo Ohani abiobio ha ogo no gbogeva oha oge na de ohon no gbogeva oha oge na de o kama no kian to gba omo una fie odugo una se Yemai dagwe o mai yobo kan won afebego afia o han ware ara ifu an pa no o han o mo nije o ifu an va no o han no kwa oje o ni o se wa we do na o da mo money a ba we fie odukun a ewe o wa fie odukun u ka boga wo money ifu an o hyo eni oboni wara o no han ni o han no Tundo ni afio moduku. Eba so wawe ni afio moduku. Mate with all your more there. Oh, ye. O me no si o. Kere ke gbe ya fe e ma sikan, no ma sikan bi ba re. Ai fe ko wa mi omo efie oduku. Mi ma so yan amomo hu dato. Ai mo hu dato ai mo dato. Emi oge su anything. Mo hu dato kuyo. O ha eva abia. O ha owogo kebo ha oge na de. Omo mo na Davido ma bi wa be gbegbi se he. Afia mafia we na de. Ye na me we ye obu we ma ide kan ye. Egbi ma ide kan we. Afia wa ya fe wa be kokomo wa be yen ni tana iyo mo agbo mo lo ye bason ka o oba okay no be ava egbe ye money o be de kan money o money yen iye re ba iye gba ori yen de go money na iye na ipa ona ipa so money ya o wa ge ti ye ahan agba we awo gbe so to ahan awon me ọmọ ni egige egbiye ma inde kan ye o egbiye ma inde kan ye we fon pa yan ituro gbegbe ma inde kan ye o wa so avie ọmọ ni wa so avie o vie ba unda afiamma o ge na de egbiye ni eyin na de to pin egbiye ni o ma inde kan ana mi awi yo mo so o we obi yan egin se a wa pagbe owa so avie ya wa so pagbe owa so avie to go get yo iyo mo no bi omo no e kuko mo murwe obo na no enwe ọ̀sẹ̀rẹ̀ náà yà á lò yẹ kọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀rẹ̀mẹ̀ náà ẹ̀rẹ̀ náà ọdún dàyẹ̀ ẹ̀yẹ́ àti pàṣọ mọ́ ní yà ọwá pàṣọ mọ́ ní ẹ̀fọn ìfọ̀n ọ̀pá ẹ̀fọn ọmọ ní ọwá ní yọ orúurú ọwá sọ àṣọ lọ́sọ̀ àfíẹ́ ẹ̀yẹ́ náà pè yà ẹ̀ lò yẹ kí ẹ̀ ọ̀dà fihàn ẹ̀rọ mọ́ ní ẹ̀rúndọ̀ ní ẹ̀rọ mọ́ ní ẹ̀yẹ́ ìdò lò yẹ kẹ́ ẹ̀yọ́ mọ́ ní ẹ̀kẹ́ ní yọ òwúrọ̀ àwọn yọ mọ́ ní èdè ọ̀nà wàyà fẹ́ wàyà mi ta náà wà ní pàkẹ́wé ní kò ẹ̀rọ mọ́ ní ọ̀dọ̀ lò yẹ kókó ní òwúrọ̀ ayé wọn dàbò ọmọ ní yọ mọ́ ní àsọmọ́ ní à ìfọ̀n ọ̀pá ẹ̀wọ̀ mọ́ ní ọ̀dì èso tó gbà wọ́ wà mọ́ ní wà lè lè gbé ọbẹ̀ mọ́ lè lè gbé adé òwúrọ̀ àwọ̀dà fún àwọn ọ̀dà ìpẹ́ àṣọ yí òwúrọ̀ àríkò jẹ́bẹ̀ òye dé sókà ayé ẹ̀wọ̀n àtànú wọn ẹ̀mẹ̀ ẹ̀ náà. Let us look at the causes of fear. This phenomenon of fear, where does it come from? It's automatic. Where does it come from? Number one, it comes from the experience of trauma. Experience of trauma, something that happened in the past. It could be yesterday, it could be last week, it could be last year. But it was traumatic. Traumatic means shook your body, shook your mind and everything together. Trauma. That fear, that experience, it can cause fear later on. You get it? All right. It can lead to anxiety later on. You are afraid that it will happen again. 2, the loss of control. Loss of control. When I said the baby, it cries when the mother leaves the baby, that is loss of control. The baby feels that it's no longer secured. He has lost control of security. The baby fears. We all have that fear. When we feel that we have lost control, we are not in charge, that moment you feel that you are not in charge, you lost control. It causes fear. Fear comes from there. 3, heights. Heights. When we go to a place that is higher than the normal place, the ground is the normal place. When we go somewhere else higher than that, then that gap there between the ground and where we are can cause us to fear. Why? Just like the baby, we fear that we might fall. So some people, when they climb up somewhere, they cannot look back. If they look back, they begin to shake because they fear what? They fear that they might fall. The fear of heights. Number 4, we are afraid of certain objects. We are afraid of certain objects. There are certain objects that are not pleasant to see. When we look at them, oh no. You know, like the big machine like Caterpillar. See young people there. Yeah, you see how big it is? They fear that. Certain objects, they don't look nice. They're not fanciful the way they are made. 5, there are certain creatures that we see that are not pleasant to our eyes. Like the snake, for example. Like the elephant. Like the chimpanzee. Like the gorilla. You see what I mean? Like the lion or leopard. Like the scorpion, millipede. Stuff like that. Those creatures, they are different. Very far removed from what we know. So when you see them, you fear. You believe they possess extra power of destruction or threat. You remember? In the definition of fear. So some creatures are very ugly. 6, future events. Some of us are afraid fear comes from future events. What is going to happen? Maybe there's going to be a football match and you are going to play. Maybe there's going to be a wrestling match or a fight or war. When you think of those things that are going to happen in the future, you fear. You fear. You earlier say you would like to go, but when you think about it now, you don't want to go anymore. You don't want to go anymore. You are not afraid. 7. Imagine events. Imagine events. Some people, they just have imagination of what will happen. Even though that thing will not happen, though. People who have fear, they get fear from imagination of what they think it will be. That thing may never happen. As a matter of fact, many things that people fear do not happen after all. They don't come to pass. They don't come to pass. Some of them may come to pass, but many people fear a lot of things that never happen at the end. They just see that they were afraid for nothing. Imagine the verse. Number 8. Environmental dangers. Environmental dangers. Fear comes to people when they look at the dangers around them. Dangers around them. If you go near a bridge and you see the bridge high up and you see the water down below, woo! 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 You don't want to look at it twice. You are gripped with fear. One time I drove a car to another state, and in that state they have a lake they call Lake Tahoe, far deep inside. And we're driving around it. I saw how deep and how far down it was. I stopped. I couldn't drive anymore. The police had to come and help me. I was gripped with fear. The environment. So fear has a source. It has a cause. Something leads to something. So when we want to deal with fear, we have to avoid some of these things that I've named down. We have to avoid them. What's your hand? Bokede. What's your hand? No cow. Eboka sunu yi. Eboka sunu. Ebidoka sunu. Obodo yere ebinoka sunu. Afio mai wa afia. Aya to ka so. Oka no. Ọ̀pẹ́ nam sunu o. To gba ara to ka ni. Ohe wa mo wa. Age mi na ro kan ni wa eni wan ki to ka so. Ori na de ha. Wa ta me ka bo di ye meji. Ka bo wa yo bo di ye meji. Ndo mo keke meki. Me wa sika mu ye. O ka ni ata ni. O wa ya me gogo. Ugba se inu ka sunu ne. Ara do gbedo atabiri ya sunu we. O han do gbedo wa ya mu we. We da me we bank sunu. Èrò fọ́mọ̀dé. Day to day you bought the VE. Even though but when I him on your and Macabao Momo. You said the ye. Why we told them when you know? Again, I am even when you or so ye or money in the day, you buy ye becan ye or Harry. They were forward or a forward or you be a will. Idegedege. Ohangi degedege. We don't have to pay ye. Anyone has to be a certain law. Nothing la pay. Okay, who? I can't know. Oh, you said it on you. Okay, igedegedege. Ebandagwa so many years, you get up being Nanga. Ohara mama, we have a caterpillar. Even the cow won't be it. Oh, any mama would have been a pobuto. Ibiakpo, oh, Ibiakoto mama, and Papa Wanka. Huh? Ben you are timid. Even okay, don't worry, you have Papa Wanka. Millipede. Centipede. Bob when you are, I think I want to hang up on. Anyway, sure, huh? Everybody, only by Namayu. Everybody, boy, one day I acquire. I want to be a walkway. He have him a few well. He ain't in no dad, young people, wish you have a good wish or oh, he had the moon up on you. Waiting here. Uha, Tunda, am I seva? No betting. No betting. Our do how you done. Or how you done where you are soon. He, Okusun, put the Okusun, after man your cockboma. Honor, oh, how you know my soon. Look, how you can, you don't betting. You must so you done be. I know you don't betting your own. Why gave me the Esudo? Esudo, ye. We don't matter. If I know you already in Esudo. Of your wafia, wamia, okay, carry and do me away. Oh, how we are quacker. You know, by the river. What a guy. Ebola gawa. Ben, who on TV. That's your hand. It is Wusu, yes, Wusu. It is your hand. If don't let Gamma with your hand. By go, what better, what we don't have not your hand, or let them not your hand. Who are big benefit not your hand. When you have fear, the kind of fear we are talking about, you have to treat it. You have to treat it because it's a disease. Number one is repeated exposure. Repeated exposure, something that makes you fear. You have to repeat being exposed to that thing. Go near it. Go near it. When you go near it again and again and again and again, then you come to see that there is nothing there. Oh, you were just afraid for nothing. 2, social support. Social support. If you have fear of anything, you have that negative fear in you, you better go in a group of some other person. Go near other person. Hold hands with somebody else. Talk with somebody else. Then you come to find that those people are not afraid. You are the only one afraid. That will give you energy. Face your fears. Face your fears. If there's something you are afraid of, go near it and face it. Talk to that fear. I say, who are you? You fear. You can't do me anything. I'm here now. This world is made for all of us. So you will defeat your fear by confronting your fear. 4, stress management techniques. Stress management techniques. So you have techniques for managing stress. When you are too stressed out, you begin to fear. So you need to go and lie down. Lie down like this. Stretch out your hands and your legs. And breathe. You see it? And let fear come out of you. The fear in your belly. Let it come out. Okay? Practice mindfulness. Practice mindfulness. So you have to make your mind don't go into the fear of other things that you are afraid of. You have to practice your mind. Let it be on the things that you know and you can do. Don't carry your mind to the things that make you afraid every day. No. Control your mind. Talk about it. Talk about it. Anything that makes you fear, talk about it. to somebody else. Somebody who is not fearing anything. Talk about that thing that makes you fear. When that person talk about it, and you talk about it, by the time you talk about it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, you yourself, you see that, oh, there's something there after all. You see? You see? You breathe through pain. Breathe through pain. When you are facing fear is around you. Breathe in and out. About 3, 4, 5 times. When you are in that emotional state of fearing something, breathe like that 3, 4, 5 times. You will feel better. You will now know that you are a man, you are a woman. See the evidence. See the evidence. Look at the things around and see that, look, there's no problem there. This thing I'm afraid of. Look at this stone. This stone is still here. This stone didn't fall. Look at this aeroplane. There are people inside it, and this is made by science. Then you know. You begin to cast away your fear. You are the only one who is afraid. The other things are not afraid. See a doctor. See a doctor. I put it there. It's important. Because as you see also, the way they are made, it is very, very complicated. The way God made man. There are too many things we don't see. These hands and legs and eyes, and so that's not all that we are made of. Inside our head, inside our body, there are many, many things. When those things are out of order, then some people begin to fear. So you need to see a doctor. The doctor will examine you, your body, and your mind, and see if you have something else inside you that is causing you fear. Make sure you do that. If you have fear that it's not subsiding, it's not stopping, go and see a doctor. You understand what I said? And I mean it. Don't live in that fear forever. Go and see a doctor. Go and see a psychiatrist. Go and see a psychologist. The things that they know about the human body. Look, the things they know, I repeat, the things that the psychologists and the psychiatrists know about the human body. If you put them in the ocean, it will not flow. It's not lit. It's not lit at all. As you see also, see these eyes as the way they walk. They connect into nerves. Neurology, nerves, they are connected. If anything goes out of order, you are not the normal person you should be. Trust me, it's a fact. There is something we call chemical imbalance in the brain. God put some chemical inside our head, inside our brain. When that chemical is not the way it should be, or some hormones are not plentiful enough the way it should be, that person is not normal. It will not be normal. Let me tell you. Go and see a doctor. See a psychologist, see a psychiatrist. They know better. They can give you an injection. They can give you some tablets to swallow. It is for your good. Don't say, don't go and be thinking about witches and wizards. Your own problem may be inside your body. You hear me? Fear. Go see a doctor. Wayagbo, huh? Wayagbe. Wayagbo, huh? No cow. It was your hand, where. They were belega, where the big belega, where belega, sick by saying by you don't know where ye met with our day, our the more roto, the more roto. Ooh, where? Who the Bausum? The Bausum were here on Muhanki, Uhamwa, who are the Bausum. Sikotwan, Wuhan, Ogiva. In where do you wear your mother, where they? A hand and me about me, I heard more. Mamma, who the Bausum? Who will get her? Uzao muha, zao muha. Little hand muwe. Where we come out with gay. Where we come on, how we gay. Who come on, whatever. We don't have any Latin and Big Ba. We don't Latin or war piano going anywhere. Car. Where are you? Where even no more, where we come in, where you have a moon wet. Uzao ha. Uni egboa. Wọ́n egboa na wo kan anyway show ha. When ni egboa. Wa ka bo wa ni egboa. Ya lo bi e. Wo wa ra bo ra wa o. O yore. O daga. Wa bi enu make na we bi ese. Ya kwegbe mu. Oh. Ni egboa sare boa. Yeah. It is how by you were. Poma with him. Oh, Poma. Near Bois. Yes, you are Zio, already. Hey, Zio, done. Hey, Mohamed, where is Zio? That's why I have them who were Zio, where I have money bottle. That's why I have sent you who have Zio, where that fed the other who were you saw offer. Yeah. Don't want men on what you are. O corner any was you already. That is you done. Guacain. Every no more. Oh, Guacain. Tamu away, we give no more. So anywhere, but where good more. Yeah, could work on. My really about. Well, about you, don't know what I ever. Yeah, Hona. I want with you. This away. I hear Jacka Bo, we are here, flower. You have flower. It can be here, fly. We are by. We are by. Oh, well, how I'm wet. Yeah. We'll go away. All you talk about ye about where go well we any avoid or no. We get what you want to know. Why even move? Again, there's not all kind of movement where I wouldn't mean halfway yak or how about a movement. Even where we'll hang one move. I book Yakwe or I can't have here. I book Yakwe or I can't have here. I will have a home with it. Gila gila mata gila no. Yon soto. Ewan no amu. Yon soto. So bara wa. Yalla be yupo ran bara wa. Look at yon soto. Yon gba sen gba angu. Oh, we bese. Wa bi de gbo aye. Yon soto. Relega. No. Who the give you for the lega? No, then the go wire. O ki yero iso. O fe yero iso. Ma bien. Na fe ba wa fiun we yi na kaka go. Wo pa ra gbon. Ya. Ebi ya fe ye mudia. Be don yo yi. Hona. O ya mi obo orebo. Ya mi obo ebo. Wa me o ha. So that bon ya mi obo orebo. If the good time where they do salo boy ya bona ye na jima. E ni ma dege opungbe o. Egbe na no mi na ni ma dege bo oyi tizene. Egbe na no wa mi na ma dege bo yi zene. Ipin aboda no ge ini ano ruwe. Ini ano koko ini ano ke. Ameno ro. Isage no ro. We no ya la. Oh, I said it na toy. If you don't know egbe ma ya fe ya su we fifi. If no salo ya yo wan agbon kokon gbe opun gbe aseti na toy abo bo no wa be won e wa mia on new born ya mia na psychologist ya mia udu tenigbo we ma be no you he awe won no we gogo no we mo ha bo ko ha yemu ha ya mi obo emu na zemu no so ya mi obo iya be wo e yo sare ba iwe we do mi na ke wa onu mi na o sare ba wa le me no ya le asset you no tie are ya o dege o ebo ga mu we gbe ni ya wa na dege o be na do ya bia he na da bia mo he yo sare ba o yo we pa he no o wa ka kid ma ye so se degbe o ya go sare ba ba hi wa ye bi no so ba ya ye gbe na he ya mi obebo ka dan ya wo e God's word about fear. God's word about fear. The Bible says in Isaiah 41 verse 10 to 14. Fear not, for I am with thee. God knows that there is fear in this world, but God gives us the courage to fear not. He will be with us. He will be with us. Amen. No sakai be pao ha. Amen. No sakai be pao ha. O wege mo ha meguwero. Wege mo ha meguwero. Salo babe yan yu ha ragbona. Even though you ha mo ragbona, sabana wo wege mo ha meguwero. Ori bazaya. Wege mo ha meguwero. Iri ma ta se de na. De wete mo ha. Ye no salo bo aka. Ye mo ha meguwero. O ha mo ze gbe yo gbere go manfo o ye mu e bi no ye mu. Ebi kebi u ya mi obo u ta mi a be no yo he ya be mo kuna ri no ma na be mi no ye da be mu ebi ya bi no do ma se bi no ka ye we u ge do adege bi no ye ebi no fian ma ye ro pa ri ba ye de ge o be ti ti no du ho soro ba no gi ba mu so o go do no gi we se de na ebi no ma ye ma ho egi o ngai mo ma egi ma ri gwegwe la ho egi ma ri le gbegbe egi ma ri mi na dan la wo salo ba la ma ni ma me leket je ke ma so to e nu yi agba ya fe ni ma me ki na we luwe opogo zogo na gbo me ki na we ma na do la option gbe ma o la wo salo ba gbe ma pe ma tere na o wa karo ma mu ko yi egi ede o egi made na mi abe ni Jesus Christ lo yawa isa wa ya be wa o wa no re na o be wa o wa de wa ya fe ita se muta la bulele ide mundia o mo ra gun ai be wa ni abun Obasuyi ko yo bebe Obasuyi ko yo Joseph Omons kuyo Noah Edi Gato Obukian Joseph Omons Justin Chad Wakare kuyo Ernest Obota Abukian Kiss of Yasuki Solomon Demuda tell ni kweteme ni kuya Wabukian so bade ba ma ya fe iyakwe ibe no iyakwe o de Friday then yes ku yes kruse madu togedo edo da wo o ti sedele wa afeko age fi wa fi mai fi wa age han mu wa so agbara kete wa ma o gbe fun wa o so agbade ba ma ya fe wa baba do wa wiye do eri Jesus Christ is o kinya ko bye bye